Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team, and in this video we will take a quick look at some of the new payment methods offered inside Supercheckout. Let's take a look. So right now I'm inside my Summit funnel. Now over to the left I have different options. So here I'm going to select Supercheckout. Now before you can start creating products and selling products, you got to go in and enter all of your business info. Now once you do that, you can now start selling. So first, let's go into create a product. Now all you have to do is go through here and answer a few questions, get your product set up. So right here we're just going to do sample product 1. Now if this is your first time going in here, this is going to be the first step that you're going to have to take care of here. Next, here is where you will select your payment method. Now these are your different options. Right here I can go in and choose PayPal, or if I want to use a different payment option, all I would have to do is just go here, select the plus sign, and these are the different variations of payment options that you have to work with. So here you have PayPal, Stripe, PagSeguro, CardCom, Braintree, PayFast, BitPay, Mercado Pago, and each one of these will show you all that you need to do in order to connect your payment option to Supercheckout. So at first, let's take a look at PayPal. These are the steps here that you're going to want to follow in order to set up your PayPal. Same thing goes for each one of these. Once your payment options have been set up correctly, they will show up right here. And just like PayPal, you can go up to the top left and select it, and that will show your active and current payment method. And that is how you add a new payment method inside Supercheckout. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team.